Hi there and welcome to YPS Chat. I'm Sam.
I'm Andy.
And today we're going to talk about 5 things you should consider if you're thinking of a new bathroom. So Andy, here's your starter for 10. What do you reckon, wet wall panels or tiles?
Well, they work out roughly about the same price overall. They're more expensive than tiles, but the labour cost of fitting them is less, so like I say, swings and roundabouts really. But they're a great product. They come with a 15-year guarantee. Make a great feature in your enclosure or around your bath. But the solo maintenance, you don't have to worry about the grout going mouldy, cleaning it all the time. So personally I'd recommend wall panels, but down to personal preference. Okay then Sam, underfloor heating, what do you reckon?
Right, well if you've got a cold room and you're taking a radiator out to replace it with a heated towel rail, it's worth considering, because like all electrical goods these days, it's come down in price recently, so it's quite economical to buy. At the end of the day, it's a simple gadget. It's just a heating element on a mesh backing that you lay underneath your tiles or your flooring, and if you run it using a room start and a timer, it's quite economical to run as well.
Yeah, definitely.
So it's worth having, is that?
Yeah.
So now for you, illuminated cabinets and LED mirrors.
Yeah, again, they're really popular at the moment. Like I say, it just gives that extra bit of lighting in your bathroom as well. And when you apply makeup or having a shave, it makes things a lot easier as well. Most of them come fitted with a demister pad, which stops the mirror from steaming up once the shower or the bath's been on. So yeah, quite popular again. So here we go Sam, what about towel rails?
Right, well do yourself a favour and get rid of that old-fashioned radiator out of the bathroom and replace it with a nice heated towel rail. You can have them in chrome or in stylish colours, and remember, if you're removing a largish radiator, you want to go as big as you can on the towel rail, because obviously there's a lot of space on that and the heat output is less than a radiator. Plus, if you have a cold room, just bear in mind that the coloured radiators, or if you specify a stainless one, they've got a higher heat output.
Yeah.
So definitely a nice
agree.
upgrade, is that? Right then Andy, luxury vinyl flooring.
Yeah, well traditionally we've been fitting floor tiles for years. Over the last few years, Karndean flooring has become quite popular. And there is another number of high quality flooring products out there, similar to Karndean as well. They come in a vast range of styles, designs. They look great, nice and warm underfoot. And
you can actually use them with underfloor heating as well.
Yeah, so yeah, really popular. Personally I prefer a Karndean or a vinyl flooring to floor tiles, to be honest.
Yeah, they feel much better, and they come with a pretty hefty guarantee, and they're very hard wearing.
Yeah.
So there you have it. If you're fancying a new bathroom, give those 5 points some thought, and then maybe come down to the showroom and have a chat with us. So we hope you enjoyed the video and that it was useful to you.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you now, bye.
Bye.